What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Supreme collaboration with Nike SB on this Dunk High OG Quick Strike by any means in this Brazil colorway. Today's video is sponsored by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material used in Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of thick winter boots or for regular sneakers, you're going to find there's a suitable pair for everyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and to me I find them very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So the first thing I want to address before I actually start this video is I actually reviewed the black and white colorway of this same set. So that was posted a couple days ago, and essentially this review will be exactly the same more or less. So feel free to skip this video if you guys have already watched that one, but if you guys want to tune in or if you guys just love this Brazil colorway, then hello and thank you again for watching. So this Brazil colorway is part of the Supreme and Nike SB collaboration, which dropped back on March 3rd for a price of $128 US, which is the equivalent to roughly 165 Canadian dollars. So this Brazil colorway released alongside the black and white colorway, alongside the red and navy pair as well. And as far as I know at the time of this recording, all three pairs were only sold on Supreme's website and in Supreme stores. So the colorway for this pair is actually yellow zest, classic green and white, and it earns the nickname Brazil because of its similarities to the Brazilian flag. And all three pairs in this set are inspired by the 2008 Supreme collection by any means. So this pair, just like the black and white colorway, it comes in your standard Nike SB box in this purple finish. And there's actually no Supreme branding at all on the entire box itself. As for the shoes, this is your classic SB Dunk High silhouette. And the upper of the shoe is predominantly constructed out of this smooth leather. So on the toe box, we have this perforated yellow colored leather, and my initial thoughts when I compared this to the black and white colorway is that for some reason the leather used here, it felt much softer and felt like much more of a premium cut of leather compared to the black leather used on that pair. Surrounding the front toe cap, we have this green colored leather, which also felt like it was decent quality and it felt pretty soft to the touch. Embroidered on the lateral side, we have the word no along with this heart icon, and the same smooth green leather covers the eyelets of the shoe as well. Underneath this on the mid panel, we have more of that yellow colored leather, and overlaid on top, we have a green colored Nike swoosh. Moving upwards, the side wings or flaps of the shoe, this is also constructed out of that same soft green colored leather. And this green leather wraps around the bottom of the heel. Embroidered along the back, we have the phrase by any means, and you'll notice that the NY of any is actually the New York symbol with the Nike swoosh in red. Above this, we have more of that yellow colored leather. There's a small green colored leather pull tab in the center, along with the words Supreme Team embroidered at the top in black. Turning attention back to the front, so for the laces, these come with two different lace options. They come standard with these flat green colored laces, which is the lace option I prefer, but they also give you a secondary yellow colored lace as well. Underneath this, we have your standard nylon tongue, which is done in this yellow colored finish, and at the very top, we have this green colored tag with Supreme and Nike co-branding. So the inner collar of the shoe, this being an SB Dunk High, it's pretty well padded and it feels pretty comfortable. And then taking a look at the insoles, these come with a foam lined insole, it's colored in this red finish on top, and we have Supreme and Nike SB co-branding stamped on the heel in white. This being an SB Dunk, flipping the insole over to the bottom, we have a Zoom Air unit attached to the heel to give you added comfort and added impact protection. So the upper of the Dunk High sits atop this solid rubber cup sole, which is left in this white colored finish. Underneath this, we have your classic Dunk outsole. So this is entirely constructed out of this green colored rubber. We have the circular pivot point on the forefoot, along with Nike branding right in the center. And just like all your other Supreme Nike SB Dunks, these come with this co-branded keychain as well, which is always a nice added touch. So that breaks down the look and the construction of this pair. And for those wondering about sizing, to me I feel like these ran true to size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me great. So generally speaking, whatever size you normally wear for the Dunk, I'd stick with that same size for this specific pair. And I feel like for most people that means true to size, unless you have really wide feet, then you might want to consider going up that half size. Next up, in terms of the comfort, so unfortunately Dunks in general, even though they're Nike SB Dunks, I don't find them to be that comfortable at all. They feel very flat, very low to the ground, and even with that Zoom Air unit underneath the heel, honestly you can't really feel it too much. However, for just an everyday casual use shoe, they're going to be okay. Just don't expect anything too soft or too well cushioned underfoot. finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship on this pair, so again, like I said before, comparing this to the black and white pair that I picked up, the quality of the material used on this Brazil colorway felt much better. I don't know if this is just some inconsistencies with the factory materials, or maybe I just got a bad pair of the black and white colorway and a good pair of this one, but it was definitely noticeable to the touch. And while I have to say the overall build and craftsmanship on this pair wasn't perfect, the leather on the toe box on one of my shoes came a little bit pre-creased straight out of the box, but at the end of the day, I'm going to be rocking these, so it's not that big of a deal, and the overall build, I have to say, wasn't bad at all. So with all that out of the way now, let's toss these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. Getting these in hand, I gotta say I'm a big fan of this colorway. However, if I had to rank them from best to worst, I still gotta put the black and white colorway first just because of its wearability and versatility, and it's overall just a very clean looking colorway. However, for the summer, and if I'm looking to rock a shoe that has a lot more pop to it, this one is definitely in my second place. I think the green and the yellow work perfectly together, and this pair will definitely be a head turner on foot. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about the Supreme and Nike SB collaboration on these Dunk Highs. For anyone watching, were you guys able to grab any of the pairs at all for retail? And if you took the L, did you guys pick these up for resale, or it's not worth that resale money? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Your love and support is really what keeps this channel going, so much love and much respect. You can also follow me on Instagram as well at esco8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review and hopefully it helped you in some way, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.